Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this daily update on Solana. Wanted to do a new update, of course, in the light of what happened yesterday. What's going on with Solana? Are we still bullish after the drop we had? Which, in total, I mean, I've said this before, but my thoughts have always been that I do expect Solana to continue to be bullish. And I think that's confirmed for now. I mean, we had an 11% drop, so that's definitely not nothing. And I believe we had quite some high liquidations on Solana as well. But if you watch my videos, you knew a pullback like this was a possibility. So what we did is we had that pullback, and then for now at least, and we'll have to kind of monitor the fundamentals and the situation in the world to see if this can hold up. But for now, we're holding the top of a massive resistance level right here around 162 and 164, and the top of a range we've been in for a very long period of time. So in general, I see no reason, like technically, I absolutely see no reason why I should be bearish on this. As you can see, we're also respecting the trend line here. We got a great touch from the third touch of the trend line. We're respecting the trend band, which is trending a little bit lower than the trend line. Trend lines in general like this, they can work great, but in general, I wouldn't trust them too much, because usually they're very sharp, right? But so far, everything is holding. Major key level is holding. Trend line is holding. The trend itself is holding. We rinsed some leverage. As you can see, the open interest in total from the top to the bottom went down 16%. So that's nice as well. That gives us a little bit more space and a little bit more room for new leverage to kick in. And then outside of that, the fundamental picture is still amazing, right? And this is also one of the key reasons why I have been and why I still am very bullish fundamentally on Solana. And that is that I think the metrics, whether they are completely real or not, the metrics are amazing. We have a total value locked, which is very, very high. We reached an all-time high 2 days ago. The DEX trading volumes dropped down a bit, but they're still ridiculously high. As you can see right here, the revenue is increasing by a lot for Solana. So those are all reasons to fundamentally be bullish on Solana. And if that is then confirmed by the technicals like this, then yes, I do think it's still most likely that we're going for that level around 188 and 190. Solana's ecosystem, so then when we're looking at something like Jupiter or Jito, they're also still fine compared to other altcoins. Although obviously yesterday with the spike down, they suffered quite a bit, but that's to be expected, and that's in the line of expectations. And then lastly, if we take a look at Solana against Bitcoin, also at support, probably going up to this level right here. So I do think that Solana can outperform Bitcoin as well, and Bitcoin right now is still stable. Bitcoin is stable, and on the higher time frames, it's even still bullish. So altogether, it almost looks too good to be true. It almost looks too perfect, right? That we're going to see more bullish momentum for Solana, but given what I see, I have to tell you that I think that's most likely. Now, eventually, like I'm not sure that under the current circumstances and with the elections coming up, I'm not sure if we'll be able to get into the 200s. That's going to be quite tough, but like I said, I'm quite confident that we will at least get to those local highs we made in July. So that's the main target for now, and everything adds up to getting there relatively soon. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next videos. Have a great weekend, and bye.